Hello everyone, good morning or afternoon or night, depending on when you're viewing this. Thank you for joining me again for story time outside. Today's story is The Fleas Sneeze Achoo. By Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. Intense. Okay, Fleas Sneeze. Dedicated to my husband, who always has a tissue for me, and for Mom and Dad. On a dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Wow, looks like you're actually there. Great job, Firehammer. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Not even, no one heard him cough. He. There he is. Tiny cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Sniffle, sniffle. He's so tiny. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? There we go. There's the flea. Needs a tissue. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Going top corner. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. Sleepy flea. For all the rest of that dark night, on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. The end. And that was the exciting conclusion of The Fleas Sneeze. Thank you for joining me.